All right, so I'm going to read the questions on the test for you as you're working through them. Feel free to pause me at any time or have me replay a question for you if you need to hear it again. But then when you're ready, hit play, and I'll go on and I'll read the next question for you. So directions say, read each question carefully, read each problem carefully, show all of your work, and then don't worry about that last little bit. Okay? So it says there are 216 diving students to 8 instructors. How many students per instructor? So again, there are 216 diving students to 8 instructors. How many students per instructor? Show how you use rates to solve the problem. Question 2. Marcus ran 1 lap in 5 minutes. At this rate, how far could he run in 30 minutes? Show how you use rates to solve the problem. Marcus ran 1 lap in 5 minutes. At this rate, how far could he run in 30 minutes? Show how you use rates to solve the problem. Question 3. Determine which container of orange juice is the best deal. For each option, write it as a rate and show how you change it into a unit rate. Then tell me which one is the better buy. So determine which container of orange juice is the best deal. For each option, write it as a rate, then show how you change it to a unit rate. Remember, money always goes on top when you set up your rates. Question 4. Group A made $168 for washing 24 cars. Group B made $280 for washing 48 cars. Are these rates equivalent? Show how you used rates to solve the problem. So Group A made $168 for washing 24 cars. Group B made $280 for washing 48 cars. We want to know, are these rates equivalent? And use rates to help us figure that out. Number 5, Dwight did 256 push-ups in 8 days. How many push-ups did he do in 3 days? So he did 256 push-ups in 8 days. We want to know how many would he do in 3 days. Show how you use rates to solve the problem. Trying to scroll down here. Number 6 says, Mark can type 270 words in 15 minutes. Sorry, 570 words in 15 minutes. Complete the ratio table to determine how many words he can type in 50 minutes. So you need to complete the ratio table to try to figure out what is that missing amount. How many words in 50 minutes? Number 7. In a garden with 81 roses, there are 3 sunflowers. At the same rate, how many roses would you have if there were 12 sunflowers? Show how you use rates to solve the problem. So in a garden with 81 roses, there are 3 sunflowers. We want to know how many roses if there were 12 sunflowers. Show how you use rates to solve the problem. And then the last one, this one is extra credit. You do not have to solve this one, just if you want to. It's optional. It's that a particular amusement park ride will make 156 revolutions, so that's spinning around in 180 seconds. At this rate, how many revolutions will it make in 2 minutes? Show how you use rates to solve the problem. So feel free to go back and have me reread any of the questions that you need. But otherwise, do your best, show your work,